Hey guys, you did a good job creating your handprints today after reading Red together. Since Mrs. Santal has updated the Padlet, I'm going to ask you to complete the lesson when you get the chance to go on in and upload the picture of your handprint to the Padlet board. So I'm going to ask you to either take a screenshot or you can go into File, Download, and then save it as a PDF because that saves it as a picture. You can then know it goes into your downloads, or I just dragged mine onto my desktop. You can do whatever you want with it, which makes it more easily accessible. Then you'll go over into the Padlet board. You're going to double click anywhere, or you can click the plus button at the bottom right. When you get there, you can type your name in the title, and then you can pick the file from your computer that you just took a screenshot of or downloaded. And since I put mine on my desktop, it could be in your downloads if you didn't move it. And then just double click and then it will be right there. And then I'm all done. So that is how you should go on in to upload a picture of your handprint to the Padlet board to complete enrichment lesson for today. I hope you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving and a nice break. Make sure to take a break from your screen and from school and get to enjoy the break with your families. Happy Thanksgiving!